In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 12.1, surface areas and volumes. Observe this question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Observe here, the length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. We are having one medicine capsule. It is having what? It is in the shape of cylinder. It is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres. It is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each end of its end. We are having medicine capsule, and this one is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck add to each of its ends. In this capsule, or we can say capsule is in a shape of a cylinder, and ends of this capsule we are adding or we are stuck what? We are stuck hemispheres. We are stuck what? Hemisphere. The length of this entire capsule is what? 14 mm, and its diameter is what? 5 mm. It means radius of this one is what? Half of this one, and this will be what? This one will be what? 5/2 mm. Clear? And similarly its radius will be what? 5/2 mm. And this point to this one, it is also equal to what? Radius. This to this one is what? Radius. So from this point to this one, it is what? 5/2, and from this to this one, it is what? 5/2. This one is 5/2 mm and this is what? 5/2 mm. It is radius of a hemisphere. Clear? This is what? Radius of a hemisphere. Half of this one. Clear? This one is what? 5/2 mm. This one is also 5/2 mm. 5/2 mm. Clear? So I am writing, given what things we are having, I am writing the length of an entire capsule. The length of a entire capsule equal to 14 mm. Clear? Length of a entire capsule. The length of an entire capsule is what? 14 mm. Now the diameter of a capsule, diameter of a capsule equal to diameter of a hemisphere equal to diameter of a capsule equal to diameter of a hemisphere, and this is equal to what? Given as 5 mm. So radius of a hemisphere are equal to diameter by 2. Half of the diameter will be what? Radius. 5/2 mm. Clear? So these things we are having in the question. Entire length, from this entire length of a capsule is what? 14 mm. Diameter of a capsule, or we can say diameter of a hemisphere. Diameter of a capsule equal to diameter of a hemisphere. At the both ends of a cylinder, we are stucking what? hemisphere. We are adding what? Hemisphere. Clear? So we can say, what about the height of a, what about a height, what about the height of a cylinder? This is what? Height of a cylinder, and this is equal to what? Total height minus this plus this. This plus this is the 5 by 2 mm and this is 5 by 2 mm. Once we add both, then we are getting 5 mm. So we are getting 9 mm. 9 mm will be the height of a cylinder. So one more thing we should write: height of a cylinder, height of a cylinder equal to total height of a, total length of a capsule, total length of a capsule minus radius, this part plus this part. So this is the what? Equal to radius. This is what? Radius of a hemisphere. This is what? Radius of a hemisphere. Clear? So minus 5 by 2 mm plus 5 by 2 mm. Once we add, then we are getting 5 mm, and finally we are getting what? 9 mm will be what? Height of a cylinder, and it is denoted by H. Height of a cylinder is what? H. So these things are required to find surface area. Clear? Now surface area of surface area of a medicine capsule. Now surface area of a medicine capsule equal to 2 into curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. So observe, surface area of a medicine capsule. We require surface area of a medicine capsule. This medicine capsule having two hemispheres. So curved surface area of these two hemispheres plus curved surface area of this cylinder. So in this capsule having cylinder and ends of a cylinder struck by hemisphere. So two hemispheres, curved surface area plus curved surface area of a cylinder will be the surface area of a medicine capsule. Clear? So this can be written as 2 into curved surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi rh. These are what? Formulas for curved surface area of a hemisphere and curved surface area of a cylinder. Now this can be written as 4 pi r square plus 2 pi rs. Put the values of r and h and pi. So this can be written as 4 into 22 by 7 into r is what? R is what? R is the radius of a hemisphere. Radius of a hemisphere, and radius of a hemisphere is what? 5 by 2 mm. 5 by 2 into, observe carefully, what about the radius of a hemisphere? This is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, 2 times square, so we will write 2 times plus 2 into 22 by 7. R is what? 5 by 2 into h. H is what? 2 pi rh is what? Curved surface area of a cylinder. So in which h is what? Height of a cylinder, and height, total length is the 14 mm of this capsule, but height of this cylinder is what? Total minus this and this one. This is what? Radius of a hemisphere, and this is also radius of a hemisphere. It means r plus r, 2r, and r is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 2 will be what? 5. So this and this length will be what? 5. So total we are having 14. 14 minus 5, this one will be what? 9 mm. So h is what? 9. H is what? 9. Clear? Now solve only. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So this will be what? 22 into 25 divided of 7 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. What is remaining? 22 into 9 5 ja 45 divided of 7. Solve. This can be written as 25 2 ja 50, 5 is remaining, 25 2 ja 50 plus 5, 55, plus multiply both, 45 multiplied by 2, 5 2 ja 10, 1 is remaining, 4 2 ja 8 or 1 9, 5 2 ja 10, 1 is remaining, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9, so 0 9 9. So we are getting 9 9 0 divided of 7, there is also 7. Now take LCM. LCM is what? 7. 7 divided of 7, one time it is going, multiplied by numerator 550 plus 7 divided of 7, one time it is going, multiplied by numerator, result will be multiplied by numerator, then we are getting 990. So this will be equal to what? 0, 9 plus 5 14, 1 is remaining, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15 divided of 7, one time it is going, two time it is going, 1 is remaining, two time it is going. So what we are getting? 220 mm square. 220 mm square will be what? Surface area of a medicine capsule. This is required answer. Clear? So how we are getting? Observe again, simple. Once we know the concept, then we can easily to find the solution. Clear? We are having one medicine capsule, and medicine capsule having cylinder with two hemispheres are stuck at ends of this cylinder. Clear? Now length of this capsule is what? Total length is 14 mm and diameter of this capsule is this one. Diameter we are having, it means hemisphere diameter is also what? 5 mm. It means radius will be 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So we require total surface area. So in this solid we are having two hemispheres and one cylinder. So we will add all this hemisphere and this cylinder curved surface areas will be what? Total surface area of this capsule. Clear? So first we will write the given things. Length of an entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of a capsule equal to diameter of a hemisphere equal to 5 mm. These things we are having in the question. So radius of a hemisphere will be half of this one, and height of a cylinder. One thing required, because for surface area we require curved surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area we require curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi RH. R we obtained, but H required. So total length is the 14 mm. H is what? This to this one. This one is what? H of cylinder. So height of a cylinder. So how we will calculate total 14? So we will subtract this part and this part, and this is what? Radius of a hemisphere. This is what? Radius of a hemisphere. So radius of a hemisphere is 5 by 2 mm, 5 by 2 mm. 5 mm is the diameter, 5 by 2 mm, 5 by 2 mm will be what? Radius. So we are adding this part and this part. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will be again 5 mm. So we are subtracting 5 from the 14, then we are getting 9 mm will be the height of a cylinder. Clear? Now the surface area of a medicine capsule will be 2 times of curved surface area of a hemisphere. Why we are doing this one? Because we are having this part and this part, and these are what? Curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder. 2 times of curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a hemisphere formula is this one, and curved surface area of a cylinder formula is this one. Now we are putting the values of R and H and solving, then we are getting 220 mm square will be the surface area of a medicine capsule. So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.